In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer reservoir on your Chrysler 300. It's located underneath the bumper. Remove your hose and drain your fluid. Push out your red tabs to unlock the connector. You're going to push this red lock out, push in on this tab, and disconnect your connector. Do the same with this top one. I'm going to push the tab out. I'm just sliding a flathead screwdriver in there and pushing it out. It's the easiest way I can find to do it. Now we're going to push on that tab and pull that connector out. I'm going to make a mental note that the gray one was on top. Using a 10mm socket, you're going to take out your 3 bolts holding your washer reservoir in the car. I'm going to start up here. Go below, take out this one as well. And now we're going to take out the last one over here. Remove your last bolt. Make sure you have a good hand on that washer reservoir. Now you're going to unhook it and drop it down. You are going to have to give it a pretty good yank. We're going to put our reservoir in by reaching for the sky up here. Go through that small hole, and as you go through, you're going to twist the reservoir up. You're going to try to get it past those wiring harnesses up there. Once you get it past where it needs to go, you're going to insert this arm into that little space where it belongs and get one of your bolts started that you can reach. Reach up and start your other 2 bolts. Once they're all started, we're going to tighten them down. And you're going to tighten the one on the other side as well. Now we're going to put our connectors on. The gray one goes on the top. Once you hear that click, you're going to lock it down, pushing that red tab in. And you can connect your other one as well. Hear that click, put your red tab down. Now you're going to attach your hose. Now you can put your hose on. And we're going to go back up top and fill her up. Refill your washer fluid. Put your cap on. And now you're going to go inside the vehicle and make sure your squirters work.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.